Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to fix the download was unable to complete. Please try again later in WhatsApp. Here in my WhatsApp, it's saying that the download failed and the download was unable to complete. Please try again later and click on OK. I am facing this problem while checking on status. Okay, so if you face this problem, if you would like to fix this problem, follow this video. This may be a problem of network. Okay, you can try resetting your network, or if you don't have any mobile data, then also it will this problem will occur. Okay, so first of all, fix the fix network, that is network is working or not. Okay, fix it. Here in my case, no network is used, so that it's showing that download failed. Okay, so here I don't have any sim card inserted, so I don't I cannot use mobile network. If you have any Wi-Fi in your home, or if you have other mobile, and you can create a hotspot in other mobile and connect it to Wi-Fi. Okay, so here I have another mobile Wi-Fi Moto G4 and it's connected now. Now go to the same download page in WhatsApp, and you can see that your download can be completed successfully. Yes, now it is successfully completed. Okay, I have seen this status and it's completed now. Okay, so in this way you can easily fix download failed in your WhatsApp if you are facing this. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.